Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear Brave browsing history. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the browser and go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, click on settings right here. And the left panel, go ahead over to privacy and security like so, and just click on delete browsing data. Now a shortcut, if you want to, you could go ahead and press Control plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Like so, as you can see here, we are now under the Delete Browsing Data tab. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to Basic or Advanced right here. Now select the time range, and you can go select last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all the time. Okay. For example, last hour right here, you can delete your browsing history, download history, cookies, DOAI right here if you want to, passwords as well, autofill, or everything. Okay. Or if you just want to delete the browsing history, just leave browsing history checked. And once done, just click on delete data. And after that, you're good to go. And that is it. That's how easy it is to clear Brave browsing history. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.